all from Brainiac Plus. Today I am here with a very interesting set of puzzles. Dissection puzzles. Hope you will have fun. You will develop visual logic and some geometry skills. You have 3 levels of puzzles: easy, medium, hard. You will get 15 seconds to solve. Let's go with the easy one first. With exactly 3 lines, can you dissect a triangle to get 6 new triangles? Don't you think this is so easy? Let's move to the next puzzle. Let's do one more easy puzzle. There are 4 slices in the circle below. With one more line, dissect the circle to get total 6 slices. So what do you think? Was it easy? Comment below. Let's go ahead with next problem. This problem has little more complexity. The line in the square makes one internal triangle. With 2 more lines, can you make 4 and only 4 triangles? Well done if you could solve this one. Subscribe our channel for more puzzles and learning with fun. Let's move to the next problem. This one needs more attention. The line in the figure makes one internal triangle. With 2 more lines, can you make 10 triangles? As I told you, this one is little tricky. You can easily see the 5 triangles. The other triangles are combinations of 2 or more triangles. So total 10 triangles can be made. Let's go ahead to see the next problem. So here comes the hardest level. If you can do this, you are a genius. The line in the figure makes one internal triangle. With 2 more lines, can you make 9 and only 9 triangles? Here you can see the 5 triangles easily. The rest triangles are combination of 2 or more triangles. Total triangles formed are 9. We hope you enjoyed these dissection puzzles. For more such puzzles and learning with fun, subscribe Brainiac Plus.